Hi there. I'll start with the ONDO weekly chart to show you the Wyckoff market structure and then zoom into the daily chart for the shorter term setup. From a Wyckoff perspective, ONDO is currently right after the automatic rally stage of the accumulation cycle. So you see this popped up to test the 0.47, this light blue key level over here. That's the resistance level right after the current very important key resistance for the past 4 weeks of 0.36. Okay, so these two are the key resistances right now. And the immediate support is 30 cents, the yellow line over here. Of course, there is a chance for it to come back to the 24 cents, the orange key level. The ONDO chart is pretty young, so I can't show you what happened. So if you look at my other sessions of older projects, you see we can compare the previous accumulation cycles. And it's very common after the panic over stage of selling climax, the price shot up and then returns to the previous levels to test it. Sometimes it doesn't go as low as the previous low, but sometimes it can go way deeper. So be careful and don't be surprised if it ever comes back to test the orange or even the red line. So you see what happened over here at the beginning of this year in February. Okay, in one occasion, it comes to test the 20 cents line. So now let's take a look at the daily chart. While the volume seems like it is more or less on average. Okay, this week is slightly higher than the previous 5 weeks, but it's combining quite a bit of selling from above the green line, while the bulls try to push it out to test the higher levels. So I would consider that just equal strength between the bulls and bears. In terms of the daily chart, it is currently going through a descending channel, and you can clearly see for the past 3 days, it got rejected from the channel ceiling. Okay, this is not very absolute, even though you see it seems like, wow, all 3 days are exactly rejected from this line. You see this one popping out a little, right? So you can see on and off, some of the wicks may go outside the box a little bit, or sometimes it doesn't touch it. That's normal. What's important here is that today it has gone below the green line. And however, all right, this volume isn't as crazy as 2 days ago. So there were a lot of change of hands 2 days ago. Today, currently the volume is only half of what we had 2 days ago. So it could be weekend. All right. The tendency is for the price to come back to test the center line of the downtrend, and then it may rebound to the green line to retest and may even test the ceiling again. So this kind of maneuver, that's one of the ways it can happen, only taking the stronger half of the channel, or like what it did previously in May, that it goes through the center line and comes back to test the yellow key level again. For this instance, not directly going to the bottom of the channel. Reason, because it found support in 2 occasions, just earlier this week and also in late June. So the 30 cents level, also, if you look at this sideways trading, it was the resistance back then, but now it turns into a stronger support. So even if it comes back to test the center line, I would assume it is going to trade along or between the green line of 36 cents down to the yellow line of the 30 cents for the short-term period, unless some big news come out that pushes the price to break certain levels. Okay. If you're interested to access these sessions 2 days earlier, join the other channel members now. See you in the next one. Thank you.